Hi, and welcome to another of our Music Tribe knowledge-based articles. Today I am going to answer every DN9650 owner's nightmare scenario question of what to do when you lose power when upgrading the software on a DN9650. First of all, if this does happen to you, try reprogramming the unit again. It may be that the relevant files to run the upgrade were not corrupted and rerunning the upgrade will work. If this doesn't work, there are two further options. The first would be to return the DN9650 to your local care department for reprogramming. The second option is to reprogram the 9650 yourself. To do this, you'll need a Windows computer, a USB to RS-232 converter cable, a serial programming cable, which will have to be made up yourself, and a piece of software called Tera Term, which is free to download from the internet. If you have Hyperterminal on your computer, then you can use this as well. However, Microsoft removed this program from Windows 7 and 10. The serial port on the DN9650 is internal. So first of all, unplug the power and then remove all the screws from the top cover. Next, we can plug in the serial cable, connect to our computer and set up Tera Term. So now we've got everything connected up, it's time to program the DN9650. First thing we need to do is make sure we've downloaded the software. Here's the software I've downloaded off the Klark Teknik website, and I've unzipped it into these individual files, and I've put them in a folder that you're going to remember. So I've put it into DN9650, which is in the root directory, because you're going to need to know where the software is so you can find it at a later stage. You also then need to open up Tera Term. This is something else that you've downloaded from the internet and you've unzipped into a particular folder, and we'll open it up now. So to click on the upgrade is via serial. Got to expand it to full screen. Setup, serial port, and we want to change the baud rate to 57,600. Just make sure that everything else is set up correctly. Data 8-bit, parity none, stop 1-bit, flow control none. Click on OK. So when we start up the DN9650, the first thing we're going to see in this corner is a plus sign. When you see this plus sign, we need to then stop the boot process. So we need to stop the unit from trying to fully boot up. And to do that, you press Ctrl and C. So you can see here that I pressed Ctrl C when I saw plus sign, and the boot process has stopped. We now need to load in the software and program the unit. First of all though, we're going to format the flash on the DN9650 just to remove any corrupted partitions or software. So the first thing to type in is FIS space INIT space -F. press return. Why? Yes, we do. So now the unit, the flash is being reformatted. That's finished. So now we can load in the software. The first piece of software we're going to load in is the RAM disk. You need to type in the following, and this is all lowercase: LOAD space minus V space minus R space minus B space 0x1 0000000 space minus M space Y MODEM. Now before we press return, what's going to happen is you press return and a letter C will appear just here on the new line. As soon as we see that, we're going to load in the RAM disk software, and we have to go and search for that on the hard drive. So here we go. So we'll press return, we'll wait for the letter C. There it is. I'm going to go File, Transfer, Y modem, Send, and we're going to search for the DN9650 folder. DN9650, RAM disk, open. So now the system is loading in the software to the 9650, and this will take a while. So as we can see now, the software has been loading into the unit, and now we need to create the partition for the software. And for this we type the following: FIS space CREATE space minus B space 0x1 0000000 space minus L space 300000 space RAMDISK, and press return. The partition has been created for the RAM disk. Next, we're going to load in the application software. So we type the following: LOAD space minus V space minus R space minus B space 0x1 0000000 space minus M space Y MODEM. Again, press return, and we're going to go and find the application file. The C has appeared. We go File, Transfer, Y modem, Send, and DN9650 apps, open. So now we've loaded the software in, we need to create the partition. To do that, we type in the following: FIS space CREATE space -B space 0x1 000 000 space -L space 8 000 000 space APPS and press return. So now this is done, and we'll move on to the next piece of software, the VM Linux. So we need to LOAD space -V space -R space -B space 0x 218 000 space -M space Y MODEM, and we press return, wait for the C, file, transfer, Y modem, send, VM Linux, open. Now we wait for that to load in. Right, so we're going to move on to creating the partition. FIS space CREATE space -B space 0x 218 000 space -L space 100 7224 space VM LINUX and press return. Now we can start loading in the Fpga software. LOAD space -V space -R space -B space 0x1 000 000 space -M space Y MODEM. Press return. File, transfer, Y modem, send. We're going to look in the Fpga folder, and we want DN9650 _bridge _bin. Open. And wait for that to load in. Right, so FIS CREATE space -B space 0x 1
000 space minus L space 15 00000 space Fpga 0 and press return. So the last piece of software to load in, LOAD space minus V space minus R space minus B space 0x 1 00000 space minus M space Y MODEM. Just return. File, transfer Y modem, send, and we're looking for 9650_ASRC.bin. Open. So that file is loaded in now, and we need to create a partition. So it's FIS space CREATE space minus B space 0x 1 00000 space minus L space 15 00000 space Fpga 1. Turn. Just two more lines of commands. First being MFILL space minus B space 0x 1 00000 space minus L space 131072 space minus P space 0. Return. And the final command line to enter in is FIS space CREATE space minus B space 0x 1 00000 space minus L space 131072 space NVSETUP. Press enter. And that is the programming finished. So what we can do now is turn off the DN9650, wait 5 seconds and repower the unit.
So now you've upgraded the DN9650. It may be worth going through the normal update procedure to make sure that this is working correctly. Hope you've enjoyed the video and happy programming. This is Nigel from the Care Department in Kidderminster.